Hey guys, Uncle Ray. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Bellwether. An AI project just hit the Hedera ecosystem, and that is bullish. And I'm excited to share that news with you. I got a couple other bullet points I'm going to throw at you as well, and then we'll take a look at the chart. Is it time to stack more HBAR, or is it going to go down from here? Well, we'll take a look. Now remember, this is not financial advice, but I cut through the noise and the hype so that you'll have the information you need to make a good informed decision. Now let's get into it. As you can see on the screen, Hedera records massive jump in TVL, total value locked. That's extremely positive, and that's what you want to see because that offsets the supply and allows the token to pump more. So we love high total value lock. And right now, that's at 127 billion. That's up over 125% in the last 30 days. Now, not only that, transactions are up 70%, over 70% in the last 90 days. Now, that is extremely bullish considering how far out front HBAR is with their transactions. Now, a lot of you guys may know this, but I'm going to go ahead and tell the few that may not be aware. But HBAR was the first project to ever do 1 billion transaction, and it did it in record time. It wasn't even close. And then they ran to 3 billion, but before they could even change their website and their advertisement, they're already over 4 billion transactions. Now here's the best part of that. Unlike Solana, which I'm not ragging on, and I own it and I like Solana, but they did this without a glitch. Guys, that's positive. Now, it says right here, new AI product sparks optimism for Hedera. Guys, this is a pretty cool project. It's got some big names it's working with. Now, it's not like an IBM or Accenture type project, but they are incorporating AI into like e-commerce. And some of the names that they're working with is JCPenney, Hurley, BB, and Perry Ellis. Now, basically what it says is for publishers, influencers, gamers, games in the metaverse, and it's for branding. And it says, we get new revenue channels for your e-commerce store. Reach audiences of publishers, creators, and influencers right where they are. Guys, I kind of like this, and I'm going to look into it for me, and I'm going to give you just a brief clip that will make you understand what it does. But for me, I can build an online store, and the AI will basically help me throughout that process, help me with my wording, my advertisement, and it will also help me load my store with products if that's what I choose. But let's check it out and stay with me, and at the end right here, we're going to look at the chart.
Do you have a website or blog that is hard to monetize? Are you forced to enable ads even though you don't want to, just to keep it running? Well then, head on over to UnThink.ai to bring it to life with your very own mini store and start earning. It's way easier than you can imagine. In just a few clicks, you can have your own mini store with products that resonate with your audience. You can make the collections interesting with fresh content with the help of an AI writing assistant. It takes less than 15 minutes to write content and fill the page with relevant products that match it. And if you have existing content already written, Aura, the smart assistant, will automatically find products that match your blog. Your audience will love this. You can also choose to create your own Web3 creator community or just become part of the UnThink creator community. You sign up to create a wallet and invite others too. As the community grows, discounts, coupons, NFT trophies, and access to
think you get the gist of it. Guys, I'm going to dive into it. For me, I like how it simplifies, some of the things that I need to do, and that is hard for someone like me that's not a technical person. Anyway, let's take a look at the chart and see what Hedera is doing. Obviously, it's been pumping since the first of the year. That is a great looking chart right there. That's the 90-day chart. Now, it's getting to the point right here that obviously, if it breaks this support, it's probably going lower. Just bear with me. Hold on a second. Let's see. If it breaks that right there, guys, it's going lower. Hold on one second. Let me get back to that 90-day chart. Here we go. If it breaks that right there, guys, it's going lower. And it's right there at that support. Now, when you look on the 30-day chart, see, it's really already broke it, if you can see that right there. But that's not far enough and to really matter. But if you look at the weekly chart, looks like it's going lower. And on the 24-hour, depends on where it closes today. Well, technically, crypto doesn't close, but let's say we use the middle of the day, the odds are it's probably going to close a little bit lower today. That being said, for me, I've been stacking HBAR since the middle of last year, dollar cost averaging down. So I'm not looking to add to this position. And quite frankly, where we're at right now is a pivotal point for Bitcoin and the crypto market. A lot of people think we're in the next bull cycle. I don't think so. However, the next probably 10 days will tell us that. No matter what, guys, I don't think this is the cycle that's going to take, for instance, HBAR or Bitcoin to its new all-time high. I just don't think that's going to happen. So for me, I'm waiting for everything to pull back before I start stacking. Again, I don't chase these pumps. And if you've listened to my channel at all, I've told everyone, if you're not a long-term holder, take those profits when you get these pumps, because the tokenomics with HBAR isn't the best that I would like to see. That's the only downside. Long-term tokenomics are going to be fine, but for 2023, as I've mentioned in multiple videos, there's some unlocks happening in 2023. So we're going to have an inflation rate, I believe, about 22-24% for 2023. That is a lot of selling pressure on any token. In a bull market, it can handle it. But what that means is, in the bear market, guys, anytime you see a big pump, I take those profits, because any project with 24% inflation is not going to maintain a pump long term in a bear market, period. For whatever that's worth. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for you. I'm extremely bullish on HBAR. It's one of my absolute favorite projects. Right now, it's the top 30. I have no doubt, 100% that HBAR will be top 25 before the year's over. And probably after the next bull run, it will be, not this coming bull run, the one after that, it'll be a top 10 project. It's going to take a little more time, but you're going to see these governing bodies start to announce the projects that they have coming out. And I know they're building some massive projects. And these are the who's who in corporate America, or in the corporate global world. And once they start, leading people into crypto, and people start to look at them and see what they're doing and see how far out front, they're going to follow, and a lot of them are going to go to HBAR. I love everything about HBAR. I'm not here to shill. Do your own research, not financial advice. Anyway, guys, we'll keep them coming. And like I said, we cut through the hype and the noise so you make informed decisions. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. And either way, guys, hit that like button. Come back, be part of this community. Take care.